2 points. Merodio. Continue. No good. Rebound by Manabo. Aniego, inside. Steal. Steal. Merodio. Out of bounds. Long pass to Santiago. Lucero for the rebound. Steal. Emina for 2 points. Out of bounds, stepping on the line. Steal.
Nababa bro, no? Ayaw ko kasi mga bata doon eh. Tinanggal nila yan sa volleyball eh.
Lucero, looking for someone for LA Tom. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Long pass to Aliago. No good. Sakuragi for 3. No good. Santiago for the rebound. Hidalgo. No good. Rebound by Lucero. Pass to Merodio for 2 points.
Sige.
Baga na dito. Basta.
So, anong dyan mo?
Hindi naglaro ah.
Okay nang dyan mo. Kaya mo secret weapon eh.
There's a foul. All number 1, subs. First personal foul.
Number 1? Saan mo? Lucero.
Mga bago tong player kasi kita nagkampo na.
Aniego to Lester for 3. No good. Rebound by Manabo to Christian. 2 points.
Good job, wow.
Count the basket. Foul on number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot. No good. Black ball. LA Tom. Inside. Steal. No. Mirendo. Back by Hiliang. Lucero. Black ball.
Para lang kung anong mangyari dyan.
Well done. Out of bounds.
Baka na ano lang, kailangan ng warm up lang ganun.
Nandiyan kasi si Pogi, kita-kita siya.
Soriano. Drive to the hoop. There's a foul.
Kita-kita yun.
Only foul on number 1 Lucero. First personal foul. Substitution. Subs.
Sub.
Sub first. Sub. In Gonzalez out number 10. Pass to Iniago. Same ball.
Wala ka pa. Mahina lang yung habang lapag ka ng tao.
Hindi pa lalang.
Here they go. 2 points. Soriano, starting by, there's a foul. Foul number 22, Meronio. First personal foul for team foul. Soriano. Right, left, is good. 2 points. 6 to 4.
Ha? Oo. Ay, sundan niya, pumasok kayo.
Ay, di ba? Balik doon.
Ha?
Balik ka doon.
Hindi, diyan ka kasi. Ikaw kasi nagkawin. Ikaw kumuha. Oo, yan. Oo. Ikaw kumuha. Ikaw kumuha eh.
Lucero.
Ayaw mo eh, di ba? Oo, ayaw mo eh.
Gonzalez, put back. 2
Ayaw,
points.
ayaw.
Gonzalez.
Uy, sayang na naman ganda mo.
Ay, no, malis oh. Ay, no, parang...
Hmm.
Helena. There's a foul.
Yeah, let's get it. Good.
Oh, ayaw mo.
Foul on number 5. Eletong subs.
First.
First personal foul, 15 foul. Warning for penalty subs. Subs are red.
Para okay ka pa, par?
Very good.
Isa kayo na bro.
Oo, lakad-lakad ka dun.
Sigasan is good. Subs. Substitution. No?
Alright.
9-6 in favor of CFG. There you go. There's a foul.
Par, saban na kita, par.
Foul on number 16. First personal foul. First team foul.
Yan.
3 shots. Gone. First personal
Jay, sabi
foul.
mo na, Jay. Sab,
Very good.
Maya-maya, pag ano, pumasok. Hindi ka pumasok kanina eh.
Naked. Substitution. Subs. Alpina and Roland. 7-9 in favor of CFG. Añago, steal by Lucero. Clear one situation. 2 points. Deadlock. Lucero, 2 points. Last 12 minutes. Soriano, AC 2 points. Merodio. Inside, out of bounds. No good. Rebound by Merodio. Doyle at home. Telecom, right? No good. Merodio to Merodio. 2 points. Deadlock again.
Ang bilis lang itong eletong mo. Ang lalaki ng eletong mo.
Less than. Easy 2 points. Back to back to back. 2 points.
Saan ka, boy? Maging sa daligan, ha? Ha? Maging sa daligan.
Eletron.
Wala na ka eh. Makaway ka
Out of
muna.
bounds. Subs. Substitution. Out Manabo in Santiago. 10 minutes and 34. 13-11 in favor of CFG. Steal. Counter steal by Los Soriano. Toroblan. Reverse 2 points. 15-11. There's a foul.
Sab.
Foul number 2 subs.
Lost foul, rep.
Santiago number 2.
Ito.
First,
Sino yung number 2?
Santiago.
Isa lang.
First personal foul. First shot is good for El Eton. Second shot is good, 15 to 13, 9 minutes and 41.
sabi nga lang eh.
Meron yun. Joe Gonzalez. Inside to Meronio. 1-0 for 3. Megan. Soriano for the ball. Soriano. Inside. 2 points. Ang galing naman yun. 9 minutes and 10. 17 to 13. Gonzalez. To Meronio. 1-0 again for 3. Wala pa rin. Good luck. Meronio. 2 points. 15 to 17. CFG, 2-point lead. Santiago. Back to gun for 3. Bang!
Magaling si
3
Gan dito
points.
na ano, no?
Gone.
Magaling siya na point dito. Si Gan. Nakadalawang player na yan.
Gonzalez. 3 points. Pinawi. 18 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining time in the first half. Soriano. Again. Dancing. Soriano. Mani. Gonzalez. Steal by Santiago. Pass to Roldan to Soriano. What a nice play. Time out. Rewind. Our score 24-18. Remaining time 7 minutes and 57. This timeout is brought to you by Papanatos Grease and Grill Restaurant. Kung kayo'y nagugutom, after the game, punta lang kayo sa Papanatos. Kumain ng bulalo at iba pang malinamnam na pagkain. If you guys need some maintenance, we have Starlight. I-contact nyo lang po si Kuya Ricky Tongko. Back to the booking. If kayo nagugutom, magpunta kayo ng Porto Bell. We have Mama Jean's Kitchen. Also have Good Tick Mechanic. Contact lang po si Kuya Rizal Diamboy. West Alexander Travel. Pag kayo gusto ng biyahe, domestic kali. Number 10. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! 3 points. Gonzalez. 21-24. Pag di pa kayo nakabili ng ticket dyan, mamaya, Jason Fernandez. Soriano dancing with Elitong. Ano, Merenco. For 3. Good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Steal by Gan. 7 minutes and 20. Steal. Santiago. To Roldan. 2 points.
Grabe. Finishing touch siya talaga yun, bro. Mabuti ka, ni-reverse eh. Ni-reverse pa yun.
Number 2. 22, 23 points.
Number 10 na, Sakuragi. Sakuragi na lang.
Soriano for 3. Bang! 3 points. Soriano. 6 minutes and 40. Maui ba Gonzalez? No good. Rebound by Gan. Inside to Hidalgo. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Miguelito. Inside. Same goal. 6 minutes and 12. 29-23. In favor of safety. Inside to Pablo.
sayang.
By Santiago. Sayang yan. Open na open. Side step. Good. Sakuragi. Sail by Roldan. 5 minutes and 20. Soriano. Airball. Elito. 4-3. Good. Rebound by Hidalgo. Gone. Good. Rebound by Soriano. 2 points. Okay. 31-23. 8-point lead. 5 minutes and 14.
17 lang yung Soriano, bro. Grabe. Sab.
Conclusion. Hidalgo and Jimena. Last 5 minutes on the first half. Sakuragi. That's a foul. Foul number 22. Roldan.
First.
First personal foul. Lumabas pa. Santiago for the rebound. Done. Inside to Jimena. Nugget. Long pass to Gonzalez. 25-31. Last 4 minutes. Roldan for 3. Short. Rebound by Jimena. Roldan inside. Out of bounds. Elito for 3. Nugget. Rebound by Totong. 2 points. Totong. 31-27. Nugget. Red ball. Last 3 minutes. Out of bounds. Lester. No good. Here you go. Number 10. Short jumper. No good. One for the ball. Long pass to Soriano. Soriano for 3. No good. Number 10, Sakuragi. To Pablo. To Gonzalez. Inside. Reverse. No good.
Out.
2 points. Soriano. 33-27.
Sab.
Substitution. Last 2 minutes. Black ball.
Automatic pala yan kay Roy.
Oh, syempre special.
Kaya nakakailo eh.
Steal.
Special kayo sa akin.
Long pass to Roldan. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 30.
10 minutes na lang.
Hindi na.
Gonzalez. Inside to Tom. Off of the steal. Gonzalez. Middle. Rebound. Black ball. 1 minute and 7. 1 minute. Inside. Back to Tom for 3. Air ball. Rebound by God. Out of bounds. Black ball. 45 seconds. 45. Black ball. 40 seconds. Blue ball. 29-33. 55 seconds. 20. Black ball, 13. 10. Rally count.
Sana.
That's the end of our first half.
33-29.
33-29. This halftime is brought to you by Jason Fernandez Cancer tonight. 30 bucks na lang po kung sino pa hindi pa nakabili dyan.
Oo, pre. Gimbal.
Gimbal mo ganda.
Pre. Panghang yung kalagad yung mamaya. Panghang. Hindi ka ba nanonood ng ano mamaya? O ikaw, di ba ikaw magkano? Oo, pahinga ka, pahinga. Oo, wag kang magsasagad kasi mahirap pa. Mahirap yung ano ka, overpatig, ganun. Huwag kang magpupuyat.
Right. Okay. 35-29. First shot of the second half. Here we go. Bang! What a move. 35-32. Ang galing naman nun. Speed up. Niggas, rebound by Eleanor. Merodio. Toeleto. Totong to Merodio. Totong for 3. Very good. Rebound by Manabo. To Anyego.
Nakaraan Merodio yan, ngayon nagtong na naman.
2 points. 37-32.
Magaling talaga yung port nila.
Oh, iba na yung goal.
Tunggo ko eh.
Ayun si Roger number 18.
Oh. Okay.
Manabo to Anyego. There's a foul. Foul number 5. First team foul.
First bro.
First personal foul.
Okay.
First shot is good. 38-32. You're good. Line violation number 1, Anyego. Lucero. Bang! 3 points. 38-35. Juliano. For 3. Look good. Rebound by Melonzo. To Eleton. Harry. Rodas.
Second.
Foul number 1, Lucero. Second personal foul, second team foul. Inside, reverse, no good. Rebound by Merodio. Lucero. Almost a steal. Merodio for 2. It's good. 2 points. 37-38. Isa na lang lamang. 1 point lead. CFG. Lucero. That's a foul. Foul number 22. Oh, number 18, sorry. Personal foul. Subs.
Good 18. Second.
Second personal foul. 13 foul. First shot is good. 39-38.
Soriano.
Second shot is good. 40-37. 3-point lead. Elitong for 3. Bang! Pagkanda ng bitang na yun. Deadlock.
Hmm?
Foul number 1.
Third.
Third personal foul. 14 foul.
You're good. That's part of the game.
Second shot is good. 41-40.
Kaya gano'n ikot na lang din
Sa
sa...
Garuda, dito na tuloy pumunta sa amin.
Again, Elito? No, Lucero for the rebound. Tomerojo. There's a foul. Number 22, Roldan. Second, first team foul. Herodio. No good. Rebound by Gan. Pass to Roldan. To Anyego. Good. Anyego again with the ball. Foul number 5.
3. Third na yun.
Third personal foul. 1 in 4 penalty.
Hebat. Hebat. Pangalawa ba yan?
Nugget.
Burgos. Sabret.
Second shot is good. Sub.
42 yan bro.
Oo.
One in 4 penalty. Rewind. Foul. Foul on Santiago.
Second.
Second team foul. Elitong. Ricky. 13 minutes remaining time. 42-40.
Sulit, no?
Hindi kanya po ba
Yari ka dyan. Parang yung si Jojo Lastimosa, bro. Maraming reklamo sa kanya na laki ng hita.
Rodyo. To Gonzales. Gonzales. Same ball. 12 minutes and 35. 42-40. Lucero. No good. Rebound by Nago. Long pass to Roldan. Steal. Lucero. Comeroncio. Regla.
Silang talaga. Bawal ka kabakabor.
Guarded by Meroso. Pump, spin, pass to gun for 3.
Patay. Gusto ni Gary Ford na to. Gusto ni Ford dito. Yung mga bitaw niya sa labal, dito.
Parang ano?
Ha?
Parang magaling.
Oh.
Elitong, bawi ba? No. Gun for the rebound. Tumpurkus, alias Santiago. What a pass inside, 2 points. 47-42. Gonzales, 3 points.
Money.
47-45, 2-point lead, 11 minutes and 11.
Grabe yung laro ng mga bata ito.
No good. Santiago for the rebound. What a move. Done. No good. Red ball. Subs.
Sub, Red, sub.
Substitution. Substitution. Subs. Red ball.
Okay, salamat ha.
Yellow for 3.
Ha? Kuha ka? Kuha.
Ari dali.
Kuha ka? Oo. Wala dyan tape, bro? Dala tape?
Nakita ko kanina eh.
Meron dyan?
Dala din ako.
Dito na kayo. Gonzales yun, bro. Gonzales.
Wala, hindi pumasok.
Dito pala, dito. Oh, dyan na.
Gonzales to Pablo. To Elitong. No good. To Sakuragi. Sakuragi to Pablo. Lucero. Bang! 3 points. 48-50, 2-point lead. Beautiful by Soriano. Nawala na, nakuha pa. 9 minutes and 19. Again?
Sub.
Substitution. Subs. Aniago Hidalgo. Last 9 minutes. Soriano. Is good. Time out. Rewind. Our score 54-48. 6-point lead. Remaining time 8 minutes and 49.
Oh, pahinga. Oh.
Bayan mo lang.
Kita-kits mamaya. Huwag ka masyadong marami magdala ng chicks, ha?
Set up sa referee natin. This timeout is brought to you by Vaquero Navarra Ventures, Platinum Professional Companies, Midway Tax and Accounting Services, Midway Travel Corporation, Patrick Bernardo for Financial Advisor in Bayway, Fiesta Filipino Creative and Catering by Galet, Alvis Express, Visit the Last, the same as Historic Hotels, Papanados Leaves and Grill Restaurant, Soda, Mama Jane's Kitchen, Hotel Event, West Alexander Travel. Contact ka na po si Rochelle. Listen, Fernandez discussion tonight. Pag kita kayo nagpili na kayo. Lucero to Gonzalez. No good. Santiago.
Ingat.
Bukan. Now. Bruno shot is good. 57-48. Time for the lead. What a run. Back to 9. Lucero again, 2 points. 50-57, 7-point lead. Last 8 minutes. Hold on.
Soriano.
Foul number 16.
Second.
Second personal foul, 13th foul. Pushing foul. Yes, sir. Gonzalez, right? 2 points. 52-57, 5-point lead. 7 minutes and 20. Soriano, Jansen, guard by Lucero. Pass to Hidalgo, 3. Hidalgo, 3 points. 16-52. So, Lucero, 2 points. 6-point lead, 54-60. Last 7 minutes. Soriano again. Soriano. Long 2. 2 points.
13, eh?
Smooth crossover. Gonzalez to Lucero. Totong for 3. No good. Gonzalez got the ball. Guarded by Soriano. For 3. No good.
Stop.
Subs. Conversion. Subs.
Pablo, isa lang yan.
First,
Penalty na.
Pero fixing ko.
Ayaw.
Soriano dancing with Gonzalez. Junior, rebound by Merodio. 5 minutes and 45. Merodio to Lucero. Lucero, steal. Two points. 64-54, 10-point lead. 5 minutes and 30. Eletong. There's a foul. Foul on the 16. Subs. Subs.
16. Third.
Third personal foul. 14 foul.
Ganda na.
First shot is good.
Ng bola bro, no? Ganda ng ikot ng bola. Yan yung sasablay lang siya pero kukulang na yung iwan niya. Yan o, yan o. Yung toss niya o. Ayun o. Yun o. Quality talaga bro. Galing.
Last 5 minutes.
Sorry, 56 bro.
Oo.
56. What a shot by Hidalgo. 67-56. Go! Drive to the hoop. No good. Rebound by Aniago. Soriano. Right. No good. Rebound by Romnan. Out of bounds. Meronjo. Gonzalez. Side step. No good. Rebound by Meronjo. Put back. It's good. 2 points. 9-point lead. 58-67. Last 4 minutes. Hidalgo again. No good. Rebound by Meronjo. Last 4 minutes. 9-point lead. Inside. Lucero for 3. Bang! 61-67.
Maraming laban.
6-point lead. 3 minutes and 30. Steal. On the steal. Adios. Foul number 18, Meronjo. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty.
Third na yung Merodio.
Third personal foul, Meronjo number 18.
Good deal.
No good.
Isa pa. Dalawa pa. Time out, time out.
Second shot is good.
Dalawa pa time out.
Plus 68, 61.
Tama.
Lucero. No good.
Grabe nga ba oh.
Last 3 minutes. 70-61. Last 3 minutes. Nine-point lead. Two points. 2 minutes and 33.
Kasi di nakilala ng naintindihan ng Tagalog eh, kaya wala rin. Hindi nyo mabubuli.
7-point lead. 15 shot clock. Steal. Gonzalez. Drive. There's a foul.
Sab, sab!
Foul on Santiago. Warning for penalty.
Third.
Third personal foul.
Is it 5,000 and out?
Yeah. Sunlight versus screen scraper bro.
On a pass. No good. Our next game, Sunlight versus Green Sweepers. Soriano, right? Foul number 9, Gonzalez. Penalty. 2 free throws. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. No good. Basket. Time out. Rewind. 71-63. Last 2 minutes. This timeout is brought to you by Vaquero Navarro Pictures, Platinum Professional Cookwares, Bigger Tax and Accounting Services, Bigger Travel Corporation, Fiesta Filipino Creative and Catering by Malet, LBC Express by Joseph Canlas, Papanatos Grills and Grill Restaurant, Starlight Maintenance, Mama Jen's Kitchen, Dotec Mechanic, West Alexander, come. Back to the ball game.
Shout out sa Batch 1996 of Calawag Central School. Sulan, Sultan Kudarat.
Gonzalez for 3. No good. Rebound by Santiago. One minute and moving on. Soriano. Dancing. 15 shot clock. Good point.
Sila, yung batang to. Ganda kasi ng tandem nila.
Basta kasi
As a foul. Foul number 22. Penalty. Penalty. First shot is good. 64-73. 9-point lead. Tatlong tres lang yan. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Wanna pass to Soriano. No good. 1 minute and 10. Elito. Jump ball. Black ball. No good.
Sayang sa laksak ngayon bro. Hindi niya lang maano. Oo. Tsaka parang hindi siya sanay sa lembro eh. Time out daw.
No, wala.
Wala.
Tayo mga gyud pumasok yung bola.
Gonzalez. No good.
Ayan.
Subs.
Sub pala eh. Sub pala, hindi pala time out. Sub pala yung sinasabi niya bro. Hindi time out.
Last 30 seconds. 25. Hidalgo. Very good. That's the end of our game. Congratulations. CFT. Next game. Sunlight versus Red Clippers. Best player of the game.
Soriano.
Soriano.
Next year.
Nice game.
Live.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. We're inviting you tomorrow, Sunday service, 3233 Auto Road. Jesus is Lord Church. Jesus loves you.
Okay.
Alright.